College pun fibro te hakane ka video mtang ne page ya ki kateng jong candidate ki bala successful namta kane ki post jongka Mekhle House ko hatima Government of Mekhla General Administration Department notification on the recommendation of the Department Selection Committee as per the Mekhle House staff dan angin pulih berjarang the following candidates are declared to have qualified in order of merit for appointment to the following posts in the office of the officer on special duty Mekhle House Guwahati. Ini name of post Pion Shri Bulnes Imli Khasi Jantia roll number Shispalai dan name of post cleaner Shri Dame Chua Suyam Khasi Jantia roll number Shispasan Pau ban cleaner Srimati Trenita and Sangman Garu category roll number News Par Pau. The recommendation of the candidate shall cover no claim appointment. Okay tu katu baca thau baik. The congratulations namta kini candidate bro langut. Tangki ni nyup tip flash bun.